Hello friends, my name is Harshal Pawar. I am the founder and CEO of Prizalo.com. Today I will be discussing the golden art of hiring and firing with you. Even if you are a captain of a soccer team, or if you are a managing project, or even if you are an entrepreneur, or even if you are a leading HR manager, you all have must face difficulty in building a team, hiring and retention of a team, as well as getting your ideas executed practically with their help. And that's why, in whatever position you are leading the team, the art of hiring and firing is must in this 21st century. Because if you don't have it, people will ruin you, your vision, and all will collapse down. And to get its solution, listen to this video till the end. I am going to give you a complete crafted golden art of hiring and firing. What do you mean by successful team? An exceptional team does more as a team than it does individually. If you have bunch of talented people with you, then you are always at the mercy of life events. If you are a good manager and you want to lead team players around you having a common purpose, then you need to have people with you who have common traits. Here we will be dividing this video into three different sections. In the first section, I will be telling you that what are the three important traits you should have in all your team members. In second section, I will be telling you what are the consequences if any of the traits is absent. And in the third section, I will be providing you the solution that how will you get the exact team match for your team. There are three important traits of a team player. First is team players are humble. By humble, it doesn't mean that they are not confident or not self-assured. It means that they think selflessly. They are open to new ideas and they are willing to sacrifice what they need in that moment because it benefits someone else or your team. Second important trait is team players are hungry. They have goals and they go after them. As a manager, you need hungry people who are pushing themselves and their peer forward. That's how you achieve great things, right? Team players are people smart. They have emotional intelligence to manage their emotions and build healthy and relaxed interaction with other people. It's important that you get all of these three traits. Now you must be getting questioned that why all these three traits are important. So the reason is they balance each other out. And how do they balance each other out? That we will see in the next section. Now let's consider the following cases. If you hire a person who is only hungry, then it's going to be the bulldozer. They are going to do what they want to do to succeed. And as they are only having hunger, the most important thing is they will lack in execution. Every time they will feel like doing anything to achieve something, but as they are not humble and people smart, they are gonna drag other people and so your team. Now let's say if you hire a person who is humble and hungry, but lack in people smart. They are like the accidental mess makers. But as they are not people smart, they might be rude, they might be abrasive, passive aggressive, they might miss the social cues, or they might violate social norms. This person cannot mix with people, form healthy interactions, interpersonal relationships, and without those, it's hard for a team to mix up. Now, if you hire a person who is humble and people smart, they are like the lovable slackers. These people can maintain healthy relationships as well as they get selfless and open to new ideas. But as they lack in hunger, they become the most real damaging people in the company. Because lack in hunger results in incompetency, which is not good for any team, and as they are not competent to others as well as they establish strong relationships, it gets very difficult to fire such people from team. They help the team, they are willing teammates, they are people smart, but they don't possess any sign of growth. They are not gonna deliver much on their own as well as they are not gonna push their team to achieve more either. One of the most dangerous combination of trait is people smart and hungry. They can be termed as the skillful politician. All of you must be aware of the fact of team politics. These are those politician peoples. They have a strong desire to achieve their goal and they are good at working with people. They are gonna manipulating people, but everything they do is for their own hunger and goal. They are not gonna sacrifice anything of theirs for team. They are not interested in helping or picking up new ideas that benefits someone else. So how do you test for those traits? Traditional methods of interviews where you are sitting on a desk asking some same questions like what are your strengths and weaknesses, where you want to see yourself in next 3 years is not going to help. I mean, it's great if you want to hear them say I am a team player in those exact words. People really practice their interview settings. They are going to answer your question no matter what because they want that job which you are offering. But once you hire them, they are gonna revert their true nature. So if you want to hire people who possess teamwork traits, you need to change your interview process and interview questions. For example, ask someone to tell you about someone who is better than they are in the area which they care about. People who are humble will answer this because they can recognize the strengths and others without feeling threatened. If you want to look for hunger, you might ask for the hardest they have ever worked for something. Look for evidence of sacrifice and drive. From their past, you can get to know the insides of his answer. Remember, you need people with you who could have moved heaven and earth to make their dream come true. I'm repeating once again. You need people with you who could have moved heaven and earth to make their dream come true. If you ask them to the point that what sort of people annoys you and how do they deal with those people, this will give you an idea about their emotional intelligence. What is their people smartness? There are many such questions you can make to make sure that your hire is always best fit to your team and vision. And anyone is not fitting in the matrix of the team player deserves to get fired from your company, as well as all they can do is the damage to your team, your vision, as well as your execution. Thank you for watching this video. Please press subscribe button as well as bell icon to get non-stop business learning from Prizalo.